Have you ever felt like your dreams and desires are floating out there in the vast universe, waiting to be fulfilled? The universe, powerful as it is, has its own limitations when it comes to granting your wishes. And the most frustrating part? The timing. It's uncertain. It's unpredictable. It can leave you feeling demotivated and uncertain about your future. But fear not, my friends, for I bring you a glimmer of hope amidst the uncertainty. There is a trick, a hidden secret that can not only manifest your wishes, but also accelerate their manifestation in a fraction of the time. Imagine finally seeing your dreams come to life before your very eyes. In this enthralling video, we will unravel the exact process followed by those who have already tasted success. The ones who have cracked the code to unlocking the hidden power within and manifesting their desires effortlessly. And the best part? You can do it too. All you have to do is learn, apply, and watch the magic unfold. Prepare to dive deep into the secrets of manifestation. We will take you on a journey where you'll discover the precise steps to manifesting your dreams with greater speed, precision, and effectiveness. The same process followed by those who have achieved remarkable results. But remember, my friends, it's not about just wishing and waiting. It's about taking action. It's about learning and implementing the exact strategies used by those who have already paved the way to success. It's about copying and pasting their proven methods into your own life and witnessing the magic unfold before your eyes. So if you're tired of waiting, if you're ready to see your dreams materialize in record time, then get ready to embark on this extraordinary journey. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to join us on this thrilling adventure into the world of accelerated manifestation. The time has come to unlock the secrets, to transcend limitations, and to manifest your deepest desires in lesser time than you ever thought possible. All right, let's get started. Imagination is a powerful force that shapes our reality. It allows us to envision a better future and set the stage for successful manifestation. But to bridge the gap between our current situation and our desired outcome, we must first recognize that there is a difference. By acknowledging this gap, we can focus our energy on closing it and bringing our dreams into fruition. However, in this journey of manifestation, it is common for many people to feel overwhelmed by questions of what, how, when, and where. These doubts and uncertainties can cloud our vision and hinder our progress. But remember, it's important to trust the process and have faith in the universe's timing. Instead of getting caught up in the details, focus on the bigger picture and trust that the right answers will come at the right time. Our current situations often act as barriers between our present reality and the future we envision. It's crucial to identify and overcome these obstacles to make way for the desired future. This can be achieved by cultivating empowering beliefs that foster unwavering conviction in the reality and attainability of our goals. By shifting our mindset and believing in the possibilities, we create a powerful foundation for successful manifestation. One technique that can be utilized is the law of assumption. It involves assuming or believing that we already possess whatever it is we're striving for. By practicing this mindset, we align ourselves with the energy of already having achieved our desires. Additionally, visualizing friends and family praising us for having attained our goals can have a profound impact on our belief system and strengthen our manifestation journey. When it comes to desires, it's essential that they truly excite us. If our desires come from the depths of our core, they won't require second guessing or justification. These desires fuel our passion and create a sense of alignment with our true selves. When our dreams align with our innermost desires, the journey towards manifestation becomes more effortless and fulfilling. It's important to recognize that everything in the world has come to life because of imagination and visualization. From the grandest of achievements to the simplest of creations, it all begins with an idea, a vision, a thought. Swimming in success while feeling like you're drowning in self-doubt is a powerful metaphor for the conflicting emotions that often accompany the journey of manifestation. It's that feeling of being torn between our desires and the uncertainties that creep into our minds. We may find ourselves experiencing moments of success or achievement while simultaneously grappling with self-doubt and uncertainty about whether we truly deserve or can sustain that success. In the realm of manifestation, faith plays a vital role. When we attempt to manifest something through the law of attraction, having unwavering faith in the process and in ourselves becomes essential. Despite any doubts or obstacles that may arise, it is through faith that we can stay aligned with our desires and maintain a positive mindset. It's about trusting in the power of attraction and believing that what we desire can and will manifest in our lives. Interestingly, manifestation is not solely reliant on belief. It is entirely possible to manifest something, even if we don't fully believe it can be achieved. The power lies in the intention and focus we bring to our desires. By directing our thoughts and energy towards what we want to manifest, we open the doors to possibilities and allow the universe to work its magic. So, even in moments of doubt or uncertainty, we can still achieve the outcomes we desire. Visualization and repetition are key practices for successful manifestation. Instead of worrying about the how or why something will happen, it's more important to focus on the what we truly want to manifest. By visualizing our desires in vivid detail, we embed them into our subconscious mind. This consistent practice keeps us in alignment with our desires and enhances the manifestation process. The ultimate goal in manifestation is to not only think about what we want, but to also emit positive, high-frequency vibrations into the non-physical world. Our thoughts and emotions carry energy, and by focusing on positive thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, we raise our vibrational frequency. This higher frequency attracts similar positive energy from the universe, creating a harmonious resonance that supports the manifestation of our desires. As we reach the end of this transformative video, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible power that lies within the human mind. It is a force that knows no limits, capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. Throughout history, mankind has made remarkable progress, fueled by the visualization and imagination that reside within us all. In this journey of manifestation, we have explored the boundless potential of the human mind. We have discovered that by harnessing our creativity, we can paint the life we have always desired. By visualizing our dreams as if they are already a reality, we establish a powerful connection with the universe, paving the way for the manifestation of our deepest desires. Faith, my friends, is what propels us forward on this path towards a successful future. By having unwavering faith in ourselves and the vast possibilities of the universe, we become the architects of our destiny. With each step we take, guided by belief and determination, our dreams effortlessly find their way into our lives and become our reality. If this video resonated with you and sparked a sense of inspiration, we kindly request you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. By joining our community, you ensure that you don't miss out on future empowering content that will continue to guide you on your manifestation journey. We value your thoughts and encourage you to share them in the comments section below. Let's create a space where we can engage, learn from one another, and inspire each other on this magnificent journey of manifestation. Together, we can uplift and support each other as we embrace the limitless potential that resides within us all. As we conclude, I offer you my sincerest blessings on your manifestation journey. May the universal forces align in your favor, bringing your dreams to life in beautiful and unexpected ways. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and keep taking inspired action. Until we meet again in our next captivating video, keep manifesting and let your inner light guide the way.